Crazy enough, we're gonna make this desk float today with these 3 pieces of wood. We're gonna put one 6 foot long on the back side. It's an 8 foot top, so you won't be able to see the 2x4s on the outside. We're gonna do a 20-inch one on that end over there because it'll be attached to that wall. And then we'll do a brace coming up from like right here where this leg is, from the back side at 45 degrees, like so. Grabbed all the tools. We got a screw gun, stud finder, level. Then, the only thing we really gotta do is move these cables along. Wow, that is perfect.
I mean, your phone.
She said that was very loud. That is incredibly level. I don't think I'm gonna get it much better than that, eh? We gotta find some more studs. We send another one right there. She is sunk deep. Let's find the next one. That board is up. And we're gonna put that one on the wall. And we're gonna put the brace up on this side because it won't have anything holding the end up really in the front here. This side will be fine. I did end up finding a stud or some type of wood back there, and obviously we got the corner from this wall right here that has a actual stud. Currently, she's a floater, baby. All we should have to do is unscrew the actual frame and let it drop down. To attach this stuff, instead of drilling down through the top right here and into the board, for now we're just going to use these. And if these don't really work, that's okay. But we can also 3D print more of these. So we have like probably 3 right here. And then we're going to do like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Maybe 6 on this long board. Should be sufficient to hold all this stuff in place. The desk is now completely floating on its rails back there. You can see it's a little bit bouncy still, but we'll solve that by putting the brace up that we have right here over there. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Woo! Boy, that looks good. I think that's gonna work nicely. I cannot put a drawer underneath my card area now, and it'll be kind of like by my legs right there, but that's okay. We'll put the drawers underneath over here and then one underneath over here by the 3D printer. The desk would shake because the printer makes it shake, so then you get messed up prints and stuff like that because it's shaking everything. I think this turned out really good. Hope you guys enjoyed this process. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing, giving the video a like, and hitting that notification bell. We'll see you guys next time.